Ladies and gentlemen, it is that time of the year, Jupiter, and that only means one thing and one thing only, Jupiter airdrops. For all of you that have been in crypto for the past few years, you know that every January there is a distribution of Jupiter airdrop. And for all of you that are new to crypto, this video might be beneficial to you. So stay tuned because you might be eligible for some free crypto. So let's get started by me showing you how you can check your eligibility for this Jupiter airdrop. And I'll also show you how you can claim your free airdrop if your wallet is eligible. First thing we have to do is visit this website, which is going to be jup.ag. And it states, this is Jupiter. We are here to see the largest user airdrop in history to 2 million qualified users from 10 million wallets. So let's go ahead and see if you're one of those lucky ones. We're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom and we see two options, sign up or log in and connect a wallet. We're simply going to select connect a wallet. Once we click on that, we're presented with this screen where it's going to give us option on which wallet to check. If you've used Solana in the past year, you're most likely going to be eligible because if you did any transactions, any swaps or trades on Solana wallet, that means you did it through Jupiter Exchange. My go-to Solana wallet is Phantom Wallet, so I'm going to simply click on Phantom Wallet. And the wallet is connected up here, and this states this wallet does not have any Jupiary allocations. There was either no transaction history, you have traded less than 3 weeks, or you had an insufficient score to qualify. This is my Phantom desktop wallet, and I basically knew that I'm not qualified with this wallet because I barely use this wallet. All the wallets that I have used on Solana are going to be through my mobile phone. So we'll go ahead and log into my phone and we'll check those wallets and I'll show you how that looks like. But if you have any other Solana wallets you wanted to check, you can come down here, click on check another wallet and go simply connect another wallet. There are a whole bunch of Solana wallets out there. Another popular one that a lot of people use and that I have used in the past is Solflare. MetaMask, Trust, and Coinbase wallet are another wallets that people have used a lot in the past and that people still use these days. So go ahead, run through these wallets as many as you have and check your eligibility. This is how it looks like on a mobile version, so I'm simply going to come down here and click on connect to check allocations. I will be connecting my Phantom wallet on my mobile phone, so I'm simply going to click on Phantom wallet. Once we sign into our Phantom wallet, it's going to ask us to sign a transaction. We're going to go ahead and click on connect, and basically here it states thank you for being part of Jup. Total allocation for this particular address is 50 Jupiter tokens. Your swap score is based on adjusted USD volume, and your scoring relative to other users determines your allocation. And point 2 states qualifying transactions must be made from November 2nd, 2023 through November 1st, 2024. So that's how you qualified if you have done any transactions, any swaps during this time period. Next important step that we have to take if you did qualify is creating a profile. You'll need one to claim your allocation. So let's simply go ahead and click on this. To create a profile, all we need is to input our email address and it's going to send us a 6-digit code to our email address. We're going to verify that code and our profile is going to be created. We're going to go ahead and enter this code. Once we enter the code, here we are. Click on connect and link another wallet. Now it's showing us our allocation here again. If we come down here at the bottom, we have our linked wallet, which I'm going to be clicking on that. It's going to open my Phantom wallet. I'm simply going to click on confirm. Once I click on confirm, your wallet linked was successful. And as we can see here, it is successful. We have a green dot with my wallet address and 50 tokens that I'm going to be getting. Now I'll quickly show you how easy it is to claim your tokens. Since I already have created my email address and I have a profile on file, I'm simply going to get my code through my email. I'm going to go ahead and log in and I'm presented with this screen. If I scroll down here a little bit, I have one wallet that is connected, which is showing the address. Allocation is 50 Jupiter tokens, and the status is connect and claim. I'm simply going to go ahead and click on connect and claim. After we click on connect and claim, we're going to be presented to select our wallet. Obviously, I'm using Phantom, so I'm going to go ahead and click on Phantom. It's going to sign me in, and it's stating right here that my application is that, and I have a claim button. Now I'm going to go ahead, click on claim. Once I click on claim, we're presented with this screen where it's given us two options. We can go ahead and claim and stake our tokens or claim only. So let's go ahead and click on claim only. Here, simply we're going to have to confirm a transaction in our Phantom wallet by clicking on confirm. And here we go. This is only going to take a few seconds. And congratulations, you have claimed your tokens. Logging into my Phantom wallet, if we scroll down here and we refresh the page, we can see that I have received my Jupiter airdrop right here. 50 Jupiter tokens, which right now is worth $38.25. Jupiter right now stands at 77 cents. Hey, $38 is $38. For me, this is not the only wallet that I have allocations on. I do have two other wallets that I am eligible, so I'll be claiming those as well. This is how easy it is to claim your Jupiter airdrop, whether you're using your phone app or even a desktop wallet. Go ahead and check all of those wallets and see if you have any allocations. One other thing that I quickly want to mention is that you have 3 months to claim your allocations, so you don't necessarily have to rush for your claims. If you found value in this video, consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one.